Hey everybody, Amazing Steve here at MarineMax Panama City Beach. We just got a late model trade-in. It's a 2014 Tidewater. These are great boats. They're made in South Carolina. A lot of quality goes into them. They're not a cheap boat, although this is a small boat. It's a 17 foot. It's got about 100 hours on it. Yamaha, 70 horsepower. It actually came from right across the street. Some folks, they lived in the condo. They're from Dothan, but they have a condo across the street. And low hours, they kept it covered all the time. Comes with a galvanized trailer, bimini top, stainless steel steering wheel, swim platform with ladder. Just a perfect little fishing boat and a great way to get over to Shell Island and have a blast. I love too, I went on Tidewater's site, and they've got a saying on there. I've heard it before, but it's pretty cool. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy a boat, and that's real close to the same thing. Anyway, come see me, Steve, MarineMax Panama City Beach. My phone number is 850-358-0908. Thanks a lot.